Good afternoon to my future employer. My name is Randa Deis. I am 31 years old with live-in partner with one child, 12 years old. I studied Bachelor of Science in Information Technology at Ilocos Sur Polytechnic State College. I studied also Caregiving in situ at Medline International Training Institute of Baguio. I have work experience as domestic helper here in Philippines from 2011 to 2012. I serve 2 adults, 3 kids, and I do the washing cars, cleaning the house, washing dishes, ironing, cooking, and marketing, and taking care of the children, preparing their breakfast, and fetching them from school, and taking care of their cats and dogs. I have work experience also as caregiver, as well as domestic here in Philippines. From 2015 to 2021, I served 2 adults, 89 and 70 years old. I do the marketing, cooking, gardening, assisting the patients in taking her medication, bathing, putting diaper if needed, and then going to hospital for check-up because she has high blood, diabetes, arthritis, high cholesterol. And I do taking care of their cats. And I have work experience also as domestic helper in Philippines from January 2025 up to now. I serve 2 adults and 1 kid. I do marketing, cleaning the house, washing dishes and clothes, cooking, ironing, and taking of their cat. Ma'am, sir, I am honest, trustworthy, patient, hardworking, and loyal, ma'am. If you hire me or choose me, promise I will do my best and responsibilities and be good to you, and I will treat also your children as my own child. Thank you.